Hello?
Yes, ma'am. May I help you?
Yes, I have a complaint to make. I bought this bird here 2 days ago.
What appears to be wrong, ma'am?
It's obviously dead.
Oh, no, ma'am. He's just resting.
No, he isn't resting. He died yesterday.
No, look. He's sleeping.
No, he isn't sleeping. I saw him fall off the perch and die.
Oh, there he moved.
He didn't move. You blew on him.
Ma'am, this bird this time of year goes dormant.
It isn't dormant. It's dead. Dead as a duck. Dead as a doornail. It is deceased. It is late. It has passed away. It is an ex-bird, a farmal bird. It's in birdie heaven. Go get your manager. Hurry up.
Yes, ma'am. May I help you?
You're not the manager. You're that same guy.
No, ma'am. I'm the manager.
Then go get your assistant.
He just went to lunch.
Go get the other guy and let me see you and he out here standing there together.
And he won't be back for a long time.
I have a problem. I need to return this bird. It is dead. If you don't return it, I will report you to the Better Business Bureau.
We're not a member.
Then I'll sue you.
We're in bankruptcy. And how did you kill your bird?